Right. We have been discussing lesson 8, not for profit making organization. There are 4 organizations we have to discuss on the level: sole proprietorships, partnerships, company, not for profit making organization. And sole proprietorships, partnership and company, main purpose for generate profit, but not profit making organization. Think about example: sport clubs, as well as NGO, welfare society. Separate question available in the yellow paper. In accounting, we are going to provide information. Think about profit making organization available, as well as not for profit making organization available. Sole proprietorship, partnership and company, main purpose for generate profit. Sales available, cost of sales available, but not for profit making organization. Example: sport clubs. Think about sport clubs, sport ground available, and pavilion available, then swimming pool available, gym available, then canteen available, electricity expense available, employees available, managers available. Sometimes it has given sport festival, sometimes it has given musical shows conducted for collect money, and members available, owners not available. Not for profit making organization, there is no owners, members available. Therefore, you have to know how to provide information about not for profit making organization. Separate question they ask definitely in the yellow paper, 20 marks. As well as MCQ paper also, it has given there are 2-3 questions relevant for not for profit making organization. There is no owners, members available. Therefore, main income, membership fee. But profit-making organization, main income sales. Think about sole proprietorships. We have discussed already. Sales and cost of sales available. But not for profit-making organization, main purpose is not for generate profit. There is no sales. There is no purchase. Main income, subscription, membership fee. But sometimes it has given restaurants in the sport club. Club එකේ restaurants එකක් තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට restaurants එකේ sales purchase තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. Its profit and loss should be calculated separately. Therefore, in accounting, we are going to provide information about not-for-profit making organization. This lesson. Therefore, as a financial statement, we have to prepare income statement. It is equal income minus expense. As well as statement of financial position. And we have to prepare membership fee accounts. There are two types of members available. Life members as well as normal members. As well as opening accumulated fund should be calculated. What is the meaning of accumulated fund? That is equity. Equity වෙනුවට මේ පාඩමේ අපි කියන්නේ accumulated fund. How to calculate? Assets minus liability. Think about accounting equation. Assets equal liability plus equity. Then assets minus liability equal equity. But in this lesson, equity equal accumulated fund. Therefore, for calculate accumulated fund, you have to prepare statement of affair. Therefore, first one, you have to know how to prepare income statement of the sport clubs, statement of financial position, as well as subscription accounts, as well as statement of affair. But sometimes it has given restaurants of the club. Then club එකේ restaurants එකක් තිබුණොත් its profit and loss should be calculated separately by preparing income statement. Restaurants එකක් තිබුණොත් ඒකේ profit and loss වෙනම අපි හොයන්න ඕන by preparing other income statement. And if there is a profit, it should be included under income of the income statement of the club. If there is a loss of the restaurants, that value should be included under expense of the income statement of the club. The restaurants එකන club එකේ part එකක්. දැන් නිකන් හිතන්න බලන්න. practically හිතන්නකෝ sport club එකක්. ඔය ලොකු sport clubs තියෙන බලන්න. Ground available, pavilion available, swimming pool available, as well as gym available, canteen available, members available, then donations, admission fees, electricity, rent expense, insurance expense, telephone expense, and managers available, depreciation available. Think about any organization. We have to recognize assets, liability, income, expense, as well as equity. But in this lesson, there is no owners. Therefore, equity equal accumulated fund. Right, last day I have discussed how to prepare subscription income accounts as well as life membership fee. From the beginning, I will discuss some example relevant for subscription as well as life membership fee. After that, I will discuss how to prepare statement of affair. This lesson very important. Right. This is a part we have discussed last day. Think about main income subscription can be divided by two parts: normal members as well as life members. We have discussed how to prepare subscription accounts as well as life membership fee account. Also, we have discussed life members available. Think about membership fee paid for entire life at once. Therefore, if it has given life members, total received amount cannot be considered as income at once. Reason they paid for entire life members. Therefore, part of value should be considered as income. Balance part should be included under accumulated fund. Therefore, already I have discussed how to prepare income subscription accounts as well as life membership fee. And this is the way you have to prepare a statement of affair. What is the purpose? To calculate opening equity. Equity වෙනුවට මේ පාඩමේ අපි කියන්නේ accumulated fund. Therefore, for calculate accumulated fund, you have to prepare a statement of affair. Assets minus liability can be calculated. Therefore, today I will discuss this part also. මේ පාඩම අමාරුයි ටික ටික තේරුම් ගන්න try කරන්න. From the beginning, try to recognize subscription, life members as well as normal members. After that, today I will discuss how to prepare a statement of affair. After that, I will discuss cash accounts. That part you know already. Normal cash accounts. All the cash transactions should be recorded through the cash accounts. As well as I will discuss how to prepare income statement. Think about there is no sales, main income subscription. Therefore, this is the way you have to prepare income statement of the not-for-profit making organization. Income minus expense. Then you have to know how to record donation as well as admission fees. Right, I have discussed example number 1, relevant for subscription. Second one also relevant for subscription. And life membership fee also I have discussed. Life membership fee. We got life members and normal members available. Right, today I will discuss how to prepare statement of affair also. Before that, try to answer this example. Relevant for not-for-profit making organization. Try to answer this example. Question of first one, try to answer. Relevant for not-for-profit making organization. Normal members available. Relevant for subscription. Think about MCQ paper it has given like that. Think what would be the answer. Prepare the subscription accounts, record given balances. That part I have discussed last week. Our accounting period end of the year 31st March 20. It means beginning of the year 1st April 2019. In accounting, we are going to provide information annually under financial accounts. End of the year 31st March 20 and beginning of the year 1st April 2019. Given subscription received in advance, opening and closing balance, and subscription in arrears, opening and closing balance, and given subscription received in cash during the year in 31st March 20, as well as given subscription written off also. There's subscription income for the year in 31st March 20. මෙතනින් එහාට තියෙන පාඩම් ටික ඔක්කොම අමාරුයි. පුළුවන් තරම් ක්ලාස් එකේ හොඳට අහගෙන ඉන්න. තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් අනිවාර්යෙන් වීඩියෝ එක බලන්න. මොකද නැති වුණොත් මෙතනින් එහාට අපිට යන්න අමාරුයි. දැන් අපි යන්නේ non profit organization, incomplete partnership and company. Very very important part in the A-level paper. Right. There's subscription income thing. What would be the answer? That part we have discussed already. Prepare the subscription accounts and take the balances. Subscription received in advance is a liability and subscription in arrears is assets. Given opening closing balance, given opening and closing balance, Prepare the subscription accounts. Prepare the subscription accounts. Subscription income. Our accounting period end of the year 31st March 20. Therefore, beginning of the year 1st April 2019. It has given 31st March 19 and 31st March 20. 31st March 19 means previous year closing balance. And this previous year closing balance became this year opening balance. Thus, what is the correct answer for subscription income for the year end 31st March 20? Record given information. Subscription received in advance, opening and closing balance is given. Liability. Opening balance, credit side, balance brought forward. Opening balance brought forward, credit side. Value equal 450. And closing subscription received in advance balance equal 250. That value balance carry down. Balance carry down. Subscription received in advance is liability. Closing balance it has given 250. Record values in 1000. That value balance brought forward credit side 250. And given subscription in arrears also. Subscription in arrears. Opening as well as closing balance. Subscription in arrears mean receivable amounts, assets. Opening balance brought forward debit side. Opening balance brought forward debit side as a balance brought forward. And closing balance 107,000. Subscription in arrears balance carried out. Subscription in arrears is assets. Therefore, closing balance carried down from credit side to debit side. Value equal 170. Think what previous year closing balance became this year opening balance. First one record opening and closing balance. There are more members available. Therefore, some members not paid for this financial year. Those are called subscription in arrears. Some members paid for next financial year also. Those are called subscription received in advance. Right. Now, given subscription received during the accounting period, received amounts, cash account debit, subscription account credit, 3,200. Subscription account credit, 3,200 as a cash. That is a value received in cash. And last one, given subscription written off during the period, 50,000. Subscription written off. Think about subscription receivable. හම්බෙන්නුන සල්ලි එක දිගට ගෙවන්න නැත්නම් ඒගොල්ලෝ අයින් කරලා දානවා. Subscription written off should be record credit side. Subscription account credit, written off account debit. Subscription written off is expense, should be included under expense also when we are going to prepare income statement. Therefore, subscription written off should be recorded subscription account credit side as written off. As a written off credit side, value equal 50. Now close the subscription accounts. Difference value as an income statement. Difference value as income statement. Take the total amount of credit side. Take the credit side total value. There's correct subscription income. There's correct subscription income. Therefore, difference value income statement. Difference value as income statement. Therefore, difference value equal 3,500. This is value should be considered as income in the income statement. Therefore, here as an income statement, this is value should be included income statement and income as a subscription as a subscription income, you have to apply accrual concepts, cash received or not. For the year value should be considered as income. If it is correct, this value equal number of member into membership fee. If it has given number of members into membership fee equal this value. Based on accrual concepts, cash received or not, for the year value should be considered as income. This is the way you have to prepare subscription accounts, membership fee accounts. Think about opening, closing balance, how it records. Subscription received in advance is a liability. Subscription in arrears is assets. Those are the things keep in mind. Right, next one, question number second one. මෙතනින් එහාට පාඩම් ටික අමාරුයි. ඕගොල්ලෝගේ අවධානය තියෙන්න ඕන. පාඩම තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ කියලා අතාරින්න යන්න එපා. අතාරියොත් කොහොමද අල්ලගන්න බෑ. පුළුවන් තරම් අල්ලගන්න try කරන්න. තේරුම් නැතුනොත් තාපව වීඩියෝ එක බලන්න. Question number second one. Think about question number first one and second one. Question number second one very important. It has given number of members also. Number of member and membership fee per member also given. Exat Sport Club had 500 members as at 31st March 20. Annual subscription for members given 10,000. And given opening closing balance. Subscription written off also given. There's what is the correct answer for subscription income during the year end 31st March 2020. Complete subscription accounts. Prepare subscription account, take the balances. Number of member and membership fee also given. Number of members and membership fee per member is given. First one, record opening closing balance. Mami last week I will discuss how to prepare a statement of FAR later. Right, take the balances end of accounting period 31st March 20 and given opening and closing balance. Subscription in arrears as well as subscription received in advance. Take the balances. Take the given balances. Subscription received in advance. Given from the beginning opening balance. Subscription received in advance is liability. Credit side balance brought forward. That is a liability. Record values in 1000. And closing balance also given. Subscription received in advance, closing balance it has given 80,000. Balance carried down from debit side to credit side. Balance carried down from debit side to credit side. Therefore, balance brought forward 80,000 credit side also. Subscription received in advance is a liability. As well as given subscription in arrears. 31st March 19 mean previous year closing balance became this year opening balance. Subscription received, subscription in arrears is assets. Debit side balance brought forward. Think about date also. As well as subscription in arrears closing balance equal 40,000. That is the value should be carried down. 40,000 balance carried down. Subscription in arrears assets. That value brought forward debit side. And given subscription written off also given. Subscription written off should be recorded credit side as a written off. Subscription written off expense. Written off account debit, subscription account credit. Now think about it has not given subscription received in cash. In this example, it has not given subscription received in cash. But given number of member and membership fee per member is given. By using those information, subscription income can be recognized. Cash received or not, number of member into membership fee, that is a value should be considered as income, as a subscription income. Therefore, try to calculate subscription income given number of members and membership fee. Therefore, as a subscription income, you have to consider 500 into 10,000. Therefore, that is the value should be considered as a subscription income based on accrual concepts. This is a subscription income based on accrual concept, received or not. This is a value should be considered as income based on number of members. That value should be included debit side as income statement. In the subscription account, debit side as income statement should be recorded 5,000. Number of member into membership fee as a subscription. Here as income statement, description as income statement. As income statement, difference value should be considered. Sorry, for the year value, number of member into membership fee. Therefore, 5,000 should be recorded here. That is, the value should be considered as income also, based on accrual concepts. Now they are subscription received in cash. What is the correct answer for subscription received in cash during the year? Close the subscription accounts. Now debit side increase. Take total amount of debit side and take that value credit side also. Then difference value as income statement. Subscription written off value equal 10,000. Therefore, here value should be included 10,000. Now close the subscription accounts. Difference value subscription received in cash. Close subscription account debit side total amount equal 5,270. From that value deduct 200. $5,270 minus 200. Minus 200 value equal 5,070. That is a value received in cash 5,070. As a cash account debit, subscription account credit. That is a value received in cash subscription. Think about opening subscription received in advance, opening balance 150, closing balance 80. Then 190 as well as 40. Written off value equal 10,000 and subscription income equal 5,000. Therefore, difference value as a cash. Difference value as a cash. Debit side total amount equal 5,270. 5,270 minus 5,270 minus 5,070. Therefore, here cash received amount equal 5,070. This is the answer. Then answer question number 7 wala. Question number 2 wala. 5 hadagan. Here value equal 5,007. Therefore, answer is 5. Answer is 5. They are subscription received in cash. If their subscription income equal 5,000. If their subscription income equal 5,000. Right. Question number third one. After that, I will discuss how to prepare statement of affair. Question number third one. After that, I will discuss how to prepare statement of affair. Right. It has given following information relevant for subscription of sport clubs. Of the sport clubs. For the year in 31st March 2020, it has given the composition of subscription received in year 2019 and 20. Our accounting period end of the year 31st March 20 now, beginning of the year 1st April 2018. Therefore, this example also relevant for the year end 31st March 2000. For the year end 31st March 2020. Right, it has given opening closing balance also and subscription received during the accounting period for last year, for this year, and for next year. Think about subscription received in cash during the accounting periods. Subscription received in cash during the accounting period. For last year, for this year, and next year. As well as opening and closing balance is given. That's what is amount of subscription income recognized for the year end 31st March 20. Think about given wage difference, but same information. Same information given wage difference of accounting period end of the year 31st March 20. Beginning of the year 1st April 2018. First one, prepare the subscription accounts. They have subscription income. They have subscription income. Take the balances opening and closing. Given 31st March 20 and 31st March 19. 31st March 19 mean previous year closing balance became this year opening balance. Therefore, this is opening balance. This is a closing balance. Subscription receivable, it is equal subscription in arrears. Record from the beginning balances. Subscription in arrears opening balance equal 190,000. Debit side as a balance brought forward 190,000. And closing balance 150,000. Closing balance equal 150,000. Balance carry down from credit side to debit side. And subscription received in advance also given opening balance. Subscription received in advance opening balance equal 8,000. That is a liability. Therefore, credit side as a balance brought forward. And closing balance, it has not given clearly, but it can be recognized. Now see that from the beginning, it has given subscription received amount composition. The following information relevant for subscription of sport club for the year end 31st March 20. Think about this part, very important. The composition of subscription received in year 2019 and 20. Received 19 and 20. But our accounting period, think about 1920. Composition is given subscription received amounts for last year, this year, next year. Record given information. Now think about all three value received during the current period. Take its total value. Therefore, 40,000 plus 5,820 as well as 140,000. Therefore, subscription received amount equal 6,000. 6 million subscription received amounts. But total received amount cannot be considered as income. Therefore, subscription received during the current period 600. Double entry cash account debit, subscription account credit. Therefore, 600 credit, 6,000 credit as a subscription income. As a subscription income, as subscription received amount, as a cash here, description cash account debit, subscription account credit. But in this example, it has not given subscription written off. But think about subscription received in advance, closing balance how much? Our accounting period 19-20 period. It means end of the year 31st March 19, beginning of the year 1st April 2020. But here it is given subscription received during the current period. It is included subscription received amount for 1890 period. This is a subscription received in advance closing balance. Subscription received in advance closing balance equal 140,000. That is a liability. That is a subscription received in advance closing balance. Think our accounting period 19-20, but given subscription received amount for next financial year also. Therefore, 140,000, that is a subscription received in advance. Therefore, subscription received in advance closing balance equal subscription received in advance closing balance equal 140,000. Subscription received in advance closing balance equal 140,000. This is a subscription received in advance closing balance. That value balance carry down. Debit side, credit side. Closing balance equal 140. Therefore, debit side carry down and balance brought forward credit side. Our accounting period end of the year 31st March 19, so 20. But given subscription received amount for next financial year also. But in this example, it has not given subscription written off. They are subscription income. Close the subscription accounts. Take increase side total value. Credit side increase, take total value 6,230. 6,230 credit side. Take that value debit side. Therefore, difference value, that's a credit cash purchase, credit purchase. Take the difference value. Take credit side total amounts and take that value debit side. Difference value should be considered as income. Difference value should be considered as income. Therefore, credit side total amount equal Therefore, here answer equal 5,900. That is the value should be considered as income. Therefore, as income statement 5,900. Income statement. Therefore, this year's value should be considered as income based on accrual concepts. Accounting concepts also very important. Accrual concept relevant for income and expense, paid or not, received or not, for the year value should be calculated. Now it is equal number of member into membership fee. Therefore, question number third one answer 5. Question number third one answer 5. Right now I'm going to discuss how to prepare statement of affair. Think about step by steps. And next day I will discuss how to prepare income statement as well as financial position also. Right, question number next one relevant for next one I'm going to discuss statement of affair. Think about statement of affair. This is the format. මේ part එක clear කරගන්න try කරන්න. Statement of affair. This is the format for statement of affair. Income minus expense. This is income statement. And statement of affair. Assets minus liability. Equal equity. Equity equal in this lesson accumulated fund. Equity වෙනුවට අපිට use කරන්න පුළුවන් accumulated fund. Assets minus liability equal accumulated fund. Only opening balance should be included, not closing balance. Assets minus liability. Right now think about example. Think about example for statement of affair. It has given opening assets and liability. Think about this example. Relevant for statement of affair. Relevant for statement of affair. Assets minus liability. Then prepare the statement of affair. Question number first one. Assets minus liability equal equity. It is called in this lesson accumulated fund. Assets minus liability can be calculated. First one, draw the format. That first one is the format. Assets minus liability can be calculated. Take the assets and liability minus. Equal equity. It is equal in this lesson accumulated fund. Only opening balance should be considered. Opening balance, assets one side, liability minus. Right, calculates. This is the format for statement of affair. This is the format for statement of affair. Only opening assets and liability should be recorded. Only opening assets and liability should be recorded. Opening balance. Given opening balance, assets minus liability. Think from the beginning, subscription receivable. Assets. 3,500,000 and asset side record values in 1,000, 3,500,000. Only opening assets and liabilities should be recorded. Subscription receivable is assets. Next one, subscription received in advance is liability, 2.2 million. Subscription received in advance is liability. Value equal 2.2 million. Record values in 1,000. We have to maintain understandability. Therefore, values in 1,000. Then next one, sport equipment purchase fund. Very important. Think about it. Sport equipment purchase fund එකක් තියෙන බලන්න. Fund එකක් කියන්නේ equity account එකක්. Therefore, any fund, if it has given balance, should be recorded on the liability side. It has given sport equipment purchase fund, part of equity. That value should be recorded liability side. Therefore, sport equipment purchase fund value equal 6 million. That value should be recorded liability side. Value equal 6 million. Value equal 6 million. Next one. Only opening assets and liabilities should be recorded. Those are the things keep in mind. And sport equipment purchase fund. And given accrual electricity. Accrual electricity is liability. Opening balance is given 1,500. Accrual electricity on the liability side. Value equal 1.5 million. Next one. Sport equipment given cost value as well as accumulated depreciation given separately. Very important. If it has given cost and accumulated depreciation separately, in the statement of affair, you have to record net book value. Not cost value, not accumulated depreciation. Net book value should be recorded statement of affair. Therefore, net book value equal cost minus accumulated depreciation. 30,000 minus 10,000 equal 20,000. As sport equipment directly, net book value should be recorded. Value equal 20,000. Value equal 20 million, 20 billion. And then think about sport equipment cost value and accumulated depreciation given. Net book value should be recorded. It means cost minus accumulated depreciation. Then given inventory of the restaurants. Restaurants also part of club. Therefore, inventory of the restaurants also assets. Inventory of the restaurants. First one is sport equipment. Sport equipment. Net book value should be recorded 30,000 minus 10,000. Cost minus accumulated depreciation. Net book value should be recorded. Next one, inventory of the restaurants also part of club. Inventory assets of the restaurants Restaurants also part of club. Therefore, all the assets and liability relevant for sport club should be recorded. Should be recorded. But inventory of the restaurants also part of club. Therefore, opening balance should be recorded. Statement of FAR. Inventory of the restaurants. Value equal 5,500 and assets. Next one, fixed deposits. 10,000 also assets. And asset side. Fixed deposits, 10,000 assets. Then creditors of the restaurants. Restaurants also part of club. Therefore, creditors of the restaurants liability should be recorded liability side. Value equal 4,000. Creditors of the restaurants. Value equal 4,000. Next one, equipment of the restaurants and given it accumulated depreciation. Therefore, cost minus accumulated depreciation, net book value should be recorded. Equipment of the restaurants also part of club. Therefore, if it is given equipment of the restaurants as equipment, you have to include a statement of FAR closing balance. Equipment of restaurants, it has given cost value as well as accumulated depreciation. Directly net book value should be calculated. Therefore, assets, equipment of the restaurants, cost value equal 14,000. Cost value equal 14,000 minus accumulated depreciation equal 4,000. Then take the answers. Cost value cannot be recorded separately. Cost minus accumulated depreciation. Cost value equal 14,000 and accumulated depreciation equal 4,000. Therefore, 18,000 depreciation available. Only opening assets and liabilities should be recorded. Next one is sport ground. Assets and assets 42,000 and assets only opening assets and liabilities should be recorded. Opening assets and liabilities should be recorded. If it has given cost and accumulated depreciation separately, net book value should be recorded. Net book value. The next one, pavilion, it has given cost value 26,000 and accumulated depreciation of pavilion also given. Therefore, pavilion also assets. Cost and accumulated depreciation is given. Pavilion of the restaurants. Net book value should be recorded. Net book value should be recorded. Pavilion of the restaurants also. Pavilion of the restaurants also assets. It has given pavilion of the restaurants. Sport ground of the restaurants it has given. Right, pavilion cost value equal 26,000, but it has given accumulated depreciation also. Therefore, 26,000 minus accumulated depreciation then net book value equal to 22,000. Right, all the opening assets and liabilities recorded already. Pavilion cost value 26,000, accumulated depreciation equal 6,000. There's a mistake. Then cost minus accumulated depreciation equal net book value. If it has given cost and accumulated depreciation separately, net book value should be recorded. It has given sport ground also assets. Sport ground also assets. Sport ground also assets. Right, now take the total assets minus liability. Only opening balance should be recorded. Assets minus liability equal equity. Now take the answers. Take the total assets and minus total liability. Sport ground, it value equal 42,000. Sport ground also assets value equal 42,000. Think what only opening balance should be recorded. Opening assets and liabilities should be recorded. Those are the things keep in mind. What is the purpose preparing statement of affair? To calculate opening equity. It is equal accumulated fund. This is accounting equation. Assets minus liability equal equity. That is accumulated fund. Statement of affair you have to prepare. Now take total assets minus total liability. Complete now. Total assets minus total liability. Take the assets total value. Take the assets total value. Anupati prashna තියෙනවද?
Sir, equipment of restaurant එකේ sir deduct කරන්න ඕන එක add කරලා value එක දැම්මේ 14,000 minus 4,000.
Right. There's a mistake. Think about cost minus accumulated depreciation net book value. Right, equipment, yes. 14,000 minus 4,000 equal here value equal 10,000. And pavilion here also minus value. If it has given cost and accumulated depreciation separately, net book value should be recorded. Net book value equal cost minus accumulated depreciation. This is accounting equation. Assets equal liability plus equity. Equity equal in this lesson accumulated fund. Therefore, you have to prepare statement of affair. Statement of affair. Only opening assets and liabilities should be recorded. Think about sometimes it has given fund balance, fund, sport equipment purchase fund. Sometimes it has given building construction fund. Those are part of equity. Therefore, should be recorded under liability side. And if it has given separately cost and accumulated depreciation, net book value should be recorded. Now take the total assets. Total assets minus total liability equal accumulated fund. Take the total values. Take assets total value. Think what would be the answer? Therefore, assets total value equal 111,000. Then minus liability. Assets equal liability plus equity. Therefore, liability total value equal 13,700. Then assets minus liability equal equity. Assets minus liability equal equity. Then think what would be the answer? Therefore, here value equal 97,300. This is called accumulated fund. That is equity. But this is not for profit making organization. Main purpose is not for generate profit. Therefore, there is no owners, members available. Therefore, equity cannot be recognized. As equity, you have to consider accumulated fund. Assets minus liability, only opening balance. If it has given cost and accumulated depreciation separately, net book value should be recorded. Right, next one also same way. Hadan try next one. Same information they ask what is the accumulated fund. Opening balance 1st April 2020. First one, draw the format, try to answer. Only opening assets and liability should be recorded. Opening assets and liability. Given opening closing balance clearly. Restaurants also part of club. Restaurants can club begi kodasa. Then take the answers. Assets equal liability plus equity. Assets equal liability plus equity. Question number second one, think what would be the answer. Rupee value it has given. Record values in 1000. Think about accounting equation also at the same time. Assets equal liability plus equity. Prepare the statement of affair. Assets minus liability plus equity. Assets equal liability plus equity. Right now we start from the beginning. Only opening assets and liabilities should be recorded. Opening assets and liabilities should be recorded. Think about statement of affair. Only opening assets and liabilities should be recorded. We are going to calculate equity, but equity equal in this lesson accumulated fund. Inventory of the restaurants, assets. Therefore, on the asset side, value equal 8,500. Record it on the asset side. Value equal 8,500. Record values in 1000. Assets minus liability equal equity. Therefore, inventory of the restaurants assets. Restaurants also part of club. Only opening assets and liabilities should be recorded. Next one. It has given fixed deposits. Assets 15,000. Think values in 1000. Fixed deposit also assets. It has given 15,000. Next one, creditors of the restaurant's liability 6,000. On the liability side. Creditors of the restaurant's liability 6,000. Creditors of the restaurant's liability 6,000. Next one. Equipment of the restaurants, it has given cost value and accumulated depreciation also given separately. Therefore, cost minus accumulated depreciation equal net book value. Therefore, as equipment of restaurants, directly net book value should be recorded. 50,000 minus 12,000. Equipment of restaurants, 50,000 minus 12,000. 50,000 minus 12,000 is equal net book value. Therefore, here net book value equal 38,000. If it has given separately cost and accumulated depreciation, directly net book value should be recorded. Next one. It has given subscription receivable assets. It is called subscription in arrears. Value equal 3,500. Value equal 3,500. Subscription receivable. And given subscription received in advance also. Subscription received in advance is liability 4,200. Subscription received in advance liability 4,200. Subscription received in advance liability. Only opening assets and liabilities should be recorded. Next one. It has given sport equipment purchase fund. Sport equipment purchase fund is a liability. That is not sport equipment. Separate fund available for sport equipment purchase. Therefore, that is a liability. It should be recorded liability side. Fund එකක් කියන්නේ part of equity. Equity should be recorded liability side. Sport equipment purchase fund value equal 6,000. Sport equipment purchase fund value equal 6,000. Next one. Accrued electricity liability. Accrued electricity equal 2,500. Liability. Accrued electricity liability 2,500. Next one, sport equipment and accumulated depreciation of equipment. Sport equipment and here accumulated depreciation of equipment 8,000. Sport equipment value equal 35,000 minus 8,000. Therefore, sport equipment so accrued electricity liability, sport equipment. Next one, sport equipment is assets. Value equal 35,000. From that value deduct accumulated depreciation also. Therefore, 35,000 minus 8,000. Sport equipment. Record net book value. Cost minus accumulated depreciation Spot equipment cost value 35,000 minus 8,000. Net book value should be recorded. Cost minus accumulated depreciation. Cost minus accumulated depreciation. Only opening assets and liabilities should be recorded. Spot ground, non-current assets, 25,000. Spot ground is a non-depreciable assets. Therefore, 25,000 directly under assets. Next one. Spot ground equal 25,000. Spot ground equal 25,000. Next one, pavilion. It has given at cost, but net book value can be records. 28,000. Pavilion at cost value is given 28,000 and given it accumulated depreciation also. Assets. Record net book value cost minus accumulated depreciation. Cost value 20,000, 28,000 and accumulated depreciation 20,000. Assets minus liability. Therefore, net book value can be calculated. Now think about all the assets and liability was recorded. All the assets and liability was recorded. Opening balance. There is no owners, members available. Therefore, equity cannot be recognized. There is an accumulated fund. Only opening assets and liabilities should be recorded. Right now, take the answers. Take total assets minus total liability. Answer is a accumulated fund. Therefore, 8,500, 15,000, 3,500, then 27,000. Next one, 45,000. 27,000, 25,000 and 40,000 and 20,000. Therefore, assets total value equal 99,000 minus liability. Answer is accumulated fund. Take the answers. Take total liability. Take the total liability. Therefore, liability total amount equal 18,700. Then assets minus liability, take the answer. Assets minus liability. Therefore, 8,300. Therefore, that is equity. It is equal accumulated fund. Only opening balance should be recorded. Opening balance. Right, we have discussed already membership fee, life members as well as normal members, as well as how to prepare, how to calculate statement of FAR. Statement of FAR I have discussed. By calculating, preparing a statement of FAR, we are going to calculate opening accumulated fund. Therefore, here answer equal 80,300. That is accumulated fund. Assets minus liability. Assets minus liability. Right. Think what this is where you have to record statement of affair. Only opening assets and liabilities should be recorded. If it has given cost value and accumulated depreciation separately, net book value should be recorded. Net book value. Right now, I'm going to discuss some example relevant for not for profit making organization. Think about life membership fees. This example, think about. See the example number 11. Very, very important. They ask term tests like this example. 11, read carefully, think what would be the answer. Normal members available as well as life members also available. First one, read carefully, think what would be the answer. And see the requirement also. Life members available as well as normal members available. Think what requirements. They are subscription income as well as subscription received in cash. There are two types of members available. Subscription income. Think how much should be considered as income from life members as well as normal members. It has given a sport club was formed 1st April 2019 with 30 members, of whom 10 life members. Annual subscription fee per member equal 5,000. Annual subscription fee per member. In order to become a life member, 10-year subscription should be paid at once. It has given the life membership fee is recognized as income over a period of 10 years. Think about life membership fee, total value cannot be considered at once. Reason life members not like normal members. They paid subscription for entire life. And life membership fee also should be calculated. Life membership fee is not calculated, it should be calculated. Right? And given of the other 20 members, 5 have paid subscription for 6 months, 8 for 1 year periods. 8 for 1 year periods. Right, there are subscription income. First one, think about life members as well as normal members. From the beginning, try to recognize number of members available. And given there are 30 members, out of 30 life members. Life members as well as normal members. Life members and normal members. There are 30 members available. First one, try to recognize number of members. Normal members as well as life members. Then think how much should be considered as income. And given with 30 members, of whom 10 are life members. Therefore, life members 10. It means balance 24 normal members. And given annual subscription per member, subscription fee per member equal 5,000. That is a normal membership fee. Membership fee per member that membership fee per member is given for normal members 5,000. Normal membership fee per member is given. Think about the annual subscription fee per member equal 5,000. Therefore, membership fee per member equal 5,000. But it is given in order to become a life member. In order to become a life member, 10-year subscription should be paid at once. And given the life membership fee is recognized equally over a 10-year period. Then try to calculate life membership fee per member. Life membership fee per member. It has not given clearly, but given in order to become a life member, 10-year subscription should be paid at once. Therefore, annual subscription per member equal 5,000 into 5. In 10 into 10. This is a life membership fee per member. This is a life membership fee per member. 50,000. Life membership fee per member equal 50,000. This is a membership fee per member. Normal membership fee per member equal 5,000. But life membership fee per member equal 50,000. In order to become a life member, 10-year subscription should be paid at once. Therefore, this is the life membership fee per member. Now think how many number of members available. There are 30 members available, but given cash received amounts. Cash received amount from life members, there are 10 members available. Therefore, cash received from life members cash received from life members value equal 10 into but there are 10 members available. Life membership fee per member equal 50,000. Therefore, 10 into 50,000 value equal 500,000. For generate 2 million profit, think how many members. There are 30 members available. Out of 30, 10 members life members and balance 20 normal members. And annual membership fee per member equal 5,000 as well as life membership fee per member equal into 5. In order to become a life member, 10-year subscription should be paid at once. Now think about number of members also given. Now think about life membership fee received in cash. Life membership fee received in cash. Life membership fee received in cash. Think about number of life members available 10. Life membership fee per member equal 5,000. Therefore, cash received amount from life members value equal life membership fee per member equal 50,000 into 10. But cash received from life member equal life membership fee per member equal 50,000 into 10 equal 5 million. That is a cash received amounts. But as income should be considered over a 10-year period. As income should be considered over a 10-year period. Think what life membership fee received will equal 5 million. Out of 5 million, as income should be considered over a 5-year period. Therefore, divided by 5 equal life membership fee income. Here received amount equal here there is a mistake. Life membership fee per member equal 50,000, but there are 10 members available. Therefore, life membership fee received in cash. Life membership fee received in cash equal 500,000. But as income should be considered 500,000 divided by 5. As income should be considered only 100,000 from life members. Total received amount cannot be considered as income. As income should be considered balance parts. Receivable 500,000. So received in cash 500,000, but total value cannot be considered as income at once. Received amount equal 500,000, but over a 5-year period. Then think about normal members. Based on accrual concepts, as income should be considered cash received or not. Membership fee per member equal 5,000, and normal members it has given 20. Now take the answers. Value equal 1 million. There are 20 members available and 5,000 per member. Therefore, from normal members, as income you have to consider cash received or not. 5,000 into 20. Therefore, from normal members, as income should be considered based on accrual concepts. Cash received or not, both value. Think what life membership fee as well as normal membership fee. Right, life membership fee received amount equal 500,000, but as income should be considered over a 10-year period. Sorry, here 10-year period. Therefore, as income should be considered 50,000. Then normal membership fee 5,000 into 20 value equal 100,000. Think about again example. 30 members available but 10 members life members, annual subscription fee per member equal 5,000. In order to become a life member, 10-year subscription should be paid at once. And life membership fee is recognized in income equally over a 10-year periods. But from other members, cash received or not based on accrual concepts. Number of member into membership fee. Therefore, here total will be equal 150,000. Therefore, this is value should be considered as income from normal members as well as life members. Then there's cash received amount also. Think about this part, very, very important. Of the other 20 members, 5 members have paid subscription for 6 months, 8 for 1 year, and rest for 2 years. It has given subscription received in cash for the year end 31st March 2020. Now there are subscription received amounts. First, take common subscription income. Now think about subscription received amount from normal members as well as life members. First one, think about normal members. First one, recognize subscription income from normal members. This is subscription received amounts. Subscription received amount from normal members. Subscription received amounts. Subscription received amount from normal members. Subscription received amount from normal members. Life members also available, but we are going to calculate subscription received amounts. It has given of other 20 members, there are 20 members normal. 5 have paid subscription for 6 months. Think what monthly value be equal, so annual value be equal 5,000 per annum, but it has given 5 members have paid 6 month period. Think what 5 members into annual membership fee equal 5,000 into half. Only 6 months available. Therefore 6/2. Next one, 8 for 1 year. 8 දෙනෙක් අවුරුද්දකට ගෙවලා. 8 into 5,000. And new members also available during the current period. New members also available during the current period. Think about 5 have paid subscription for 6 months, 8 for 1 year, and rest for 2 years. Think about total normal members equal 20. 30 members available, 10 members life members. Therefore, 20 members normal members. 5 members paid 6 months. 8 members paid for 1 year. And rest. Think about there are 20 normal members available. Therefore, rest part equal 5 plus 8 equals 13. 20 minus 13 equals 7. Therefore, rest annual subscription for member equal 5,000. Available for 2 year periods. into 2. 5 members available 6 months, 8 members available entire year, and 7 members available during there are 2 years. Now take the answers. Take the total value. Therefore, here will be equal 25,000 divided by 2 equal 12,500. 8 into 5,000 equal 40,000. Next one, 7,000 into 5,000. 7,000. 7 into 5,000 into 2. Value equal 70,000. This is a cash received amount for normal members. Think about some members not available month of there's opening balance. It has given beginning of the year 1st April 19, end of the year 31st March 20. Number of members available 30, 10 members life members, and balance 20 members normal. Therefore, this is a cash received amount for normal members. Then take the total value. 7 plus 40 equal 110 plus this one equal 122,500. Therefore, this is cash received amounts from normal members. Therefore, cash received amounts from normal members 122,500. And life members also cash received amount calculated. Think what from life members cash received amounts. From life members cash received amount equal 500,000. Therefore, take the total value. That is a cash received amounts. Take total value. Therefore, this is a cash received amount for normal members. And this is a cash received amount from life members. Take it total value. Therefore, 122,500 plus 500,000 cash received amount equals 622,500. Normal members as well as life members, very important. Think what cash received amount from life members equal 500. And cash received from normal members equal 122,500. Therefore, it total amount equal 622,500. Think about life members as well as normal members. Life membership fee total value cannot be considered as income. Then think about answer. Subscription received in cash equals 622,500. As income should be considered 150,000. As income you have considered 150,000. And cash received amount equals 622,000. Therefore, answer equal subscription income 150 and subscription received in cash equal 622,500. Life members available as well as normal members available. Think what as income should be considered from normal members, cash received or not. But from life members, think what policy of the sport club. Policy. 10 members available. Life membership fee per member equal 50,000. There are 10 members available. Therefore, cash received amount can be calculated, but as income should be recognized over a 10-year period. Based on policy of the sport club. It is depend on policy of the sport club. Right, life members as well as normal members. And I have discussed how to prepare a statement of FIA also. Statement of FIA. And we have to discuss further how to prepare income statement as well as statement of financial position. Not for profit making organization. Example එකකින් තමයි තේරෙන්නේ ස්පෝර්ට් ක්ලබ් එකක් මතක් කරගන්න. අන්නේ ක්ලබ් එකේ තියෙන හැම දෙයක් සම්බන්ධයෙන්ම මොකක්ද කරන්න ඕන කියලා බලන්න ඕන. Think about sport ground, pavilion available, managers available, swimming pool available, then sometimes it has given gym, sometimes it has given canteen, then electric expense available, rent expense available, telephone available, depreciation available. In accounting, we are going to provide information. Therefore, like all properties, not for profit making organization, also you have to prepare financial statement. තියෙන දේවල් වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ බලන්න. ප්‍රසන්ට් කරන විදිහ විතරයි වෙනස් වෙන්නේ. Main purpose is not for generate profit. Social activities. Therefore, income statement, income minus expense. Statement of FIA should be included assets and liability. Only opening balance. Opening assets minus opening liability equal opening assets minus opening liability equal accumulated fund. Assets minus liability. Right now, think about this one. This example thing, what would be the answer? Question number this one thing, what would be the answer? Question number 6. Relevant for subscription. Normally subscription is income, but some members paid for next financially also. Some members not paid for this financially also. Our accounting period 1920 period 1920. It has given subscription received amount for 1819, 1920, and 20 and 21. Therefore, this is subscription received in cash during the accounting period for last year, for this year, as well as for next year. And given opening and closing balances also, yes, what is the amount of subscription recognized for the year end 31st March 2020? Take the answers, prepare the subscription accounts, and take the balances opening as well as closing. Subscription accounts record from the beginning balances given opening as well as closing balance. Subscription receivable assets 31st March 19 mean opening balance. Therefore, 220,000 debit side as a balance brought forward. And given subscription receivable closing balance 510,000, closing assets balance carried on from credit side to debit side 510, balance carried on credit side, and balance brought forward debit side. Balance brought forward debit side. Think about subscription receivable assets. Subscription received in advance is a liability. It has given only opening balance. Closing balance also available but not given clear. First one, record opening balance. Subscription received in advance opening balance equal 380. Liability credit side as a balance brought forward. as a balance brought forward. And closing subscription received in advance. It has not given clearly, but it can be recognized. Think about from the beginning, it has given subscription received in cash. During the accounting period, subscription received in cash, it has given. Take its total value. Think about values in 1000. Therefore, this is the cash received amount. During the accounting period for last year, this year, next year. Therefore, total cash received amount equal 11,620,000. That is the value received in cash. Cash account debit, subscription account credit. Therefore, subscription received amount 11,620. 11,620 should be recorded credit side as a cash. But think about it is included our accounting period 1920, but given subscription received amount for 20 and 21 period. Our accounting period 1920, but it has given subscription received for 20 and 21 period. Therefore, this is the closing balance of subscription received in advance. 620 liability. Therefore, that value balance carry down. Debit side to credit side, balance carry down. That value balance brought forward credit side. Think about subscription accounts. Then close the subscription accounts. Can be recognized for the value. Sometimes it has given subscription written off also. But in this example, not given written off. Close the subscription accounts. Take credit side total value. Credit side total value equal 12,410. Take that value debit side. Difference value should be considered as income. From that value deduct 220,000 minus 620. Therefore, subscription income equal 11,570. 11,570. Therefore, this is value should be considered as income. That value income statement. Income statement. Think as income should be considered how much based on accrual concepts. Cash received or not. Number of member into membership fee. Subscription is income. Some members paid for next financial year. That is a subscription received in advance. Some members not paid for this financial year. That is a subscription in arrears. Some members not paid continuously. In this situation, subscription written off. Next day, I will discuss complete sum. Try to recognize clearly how to record subscription, life members, normal members, as well as how to prepare a statement of affair. Next day, I will discuss complete sum. Complete sum. Right, ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න බලන්න. Not for profit making organization. Lesson 8. Think about separate question available A-roll paper. Separate question. ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න බලන්න. right ප්‍රශ්න නැත්නම් අපි ඊළඟ සැම්මෝ. ක්ලාස් එකට අනිවාර්යෙන් එන්න මේ දවස්වල වැදගත් ක්ලාස් එක. right good night.